Hey everyone, Nadine here, and today I'm going to be making a Valentine's Day card using these products from Imagine and then also some dies from Poppystamps. So I'm going to be using the embossing powder. This is the Valentine color, Delicata in ruby red, VersaMark on point glue, and then also some sponge daubers. So the first thing I'm going to do is move everything out of my way. Okay, this is just using a card front, the panel for the card front, so it is 5.5 by 4 1/4, and then using this die from Poppystamps. It's called Curvy Heart Side Strips and Stencil. So I am going to cut with this. I'm going to die cut that out right there. So I'll be right back. Okay, so now that I have the front panel cut out, this die set also comes with a matching stencil. So I'm going to use my VersaMark here with sponge dauber. I'm going to line this up over the stencil. Over my front panel. Line the stencil up over the front panel. That's what I'm trying to say. And then I'm just going to take the VersaMark and ink up those hearts. So next, taking the embossing powder in Valentine, I'm going to pour this right over the top of the hearts, and then I'm going to heat emboss it with my heat tool. Okay, so there is that part. And now next, taking my front of my card, where this is going to fit about right there, I'm going to take my large sponge dauber and the Delicata Ruby Red, and I'm just going to make a strip. I don't need to do the whole thing, and apparently I got ink on my fingers. So I don't need to do the whole thing because I only need it to go behind that front panel. So now on the back I'm just using a big huge roll of foam tape and add that onto the back. There we go. And next, using this Love Flourish stamp, or die by Poppystamps, I die cut that out 3 times with white cardstock, and I'm going to adhere all 3 of these together with some on point glue. Okay, now I have all 3 of them adhered together. I'm going to go back to my VersaMark here, push it down onto the pad, and then using some embossing powder in gold, I'm going to just sprinkle that over the top. I'm going to heat set that, and then I am going to dip it again into the VersaMark and then heat set it again with the embossing powder. Okay, so now, since I have the 3 layers of cardstock, and then I embossed it 3 times, it looks like it is a metal piece. You see that? I'm just going to adhere that right there to the front of my card using my On Point glue again. And there it is, an overall pretty simple Valentine's Day card. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed to the channel already, please do so, and if you like what you saw, give me a thumbs up. See you next time. Bye-bye.